Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to put a SPR kit onto a info upper receiver. Okay, here we go. This is a SPR kit for AEG M4. And first thing, this is a gas flash hider, out receiver, out barrel, the wrist unit, the top rail, delta ring, 2 pieces actually, and the clip to secure the top rail onto the top receiver, and here are 2 more screws for the top rails. Okay, first thing I want to do is put the out barrel into the upper receiver. Then you slide in the big ring. Make sure which end goes first. This side goes first, right? Okay, and then the delta ring. Make sure it goes into like this way. Then you just turn it, tight it. Okay, then you can see there are 2 little nuts here. One here, one here. Then you just put it into the. Then make sure it actually connect into the goes into the hole. So then you just tighten the big ring a little bit. Then once you feel like this unit is going just like the little tuner is going into the holes of the delta ring, then you don't actually tear this part, you just turn this ring here. Okay, then you just need to try to tighten screw it really hard. And normally I will just put 1 screwdriver here. Only do this if your upper receiver is metal, alright? And maybe it's not. Make sure it's not made in China. Okay, then all you need to do is just try to make sure it will tight make it as tight as possible. Or sometimes you can put a vertical handle here, but I sold mine last week. Okay, that's it. That's the best I can do. Then you just unscrew it again, because you need to make sure this top rail is in your, in line into the top receiver. Okay, then yeah, nice. Then you need to do a little bit adjustment, like, yeah. Okay, that's it. Then you can see, it's same as top receiver, top rail. Yeah. Otherwise, you can't fit your top rail onto it. Okay, so far so good. Everything looks solid, and the out barrel is not wobbling, rib is not wobbling. Good. Okay, then you can put the top receiver on. Make sure you can clip onto this side first. Yeah. So it's this side, that's the outside. Then you kind of like fold it. See, nice and easy. Then you put on into these two screws, the big ones, with a NIK. Oh. Wrong size. Oops. Okay, then this side. And you can see a little error here. It means this goes to the front. Well, you may not want to just tighten up these two screws very quick, because you need to adjust this one. So I suggest you put this one in first. My bad. Okay, three more screws. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, add these two. Okay, then the gas block. Then you need to unscrew this, two of these little screw here. And this locking pin here as well, here. And then just slide it in. Okay. You can see there are two slots here. So it's for the screws. Now finally unlock this. Oh. Okay, now see, so now the front side will not wobble. And then the flash hider, of course. I'll unlock it as well. And that's it. We are all done. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.